Hi friends, I am Saitanya. Welcome to SciTech Guru. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how is the fingerprint sensor in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So which has got the backside rear fingerprint sensor like the old mobiles. So nowadays, most of the mobiles are coming with the in-display sensor, but the Redmi Note 8 Pro still chooses to keep the fingerprint on the backside. So now I'll be demonstrating how fast the fingerprint scanner in the Redmi Note 8 Pro is. So before starting the video, if you're new to my channel guys, subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru. I'll be posting a lot of interesting videos and comparison videos. So do check the links in the description for the playlist which contain in detail reviews about the Note 8 Pro. So where I uploaded more than 20-30 videos on Redmi Note 8 Pro. So try watching all the videos so you'll get a clear idea about the Redmi Note 8 Pro whether to buy or not. So as you can see what model I'm using right now in this video, Redmi Note 8 Pro 6GB RAM 64GB variant. So let me go back to the password and security here. So here you can find the fingerprint unlocking, and yes, this phone also supports the face unlocking as well, as you can see. So which I already did a video on that face unlocking. Do check the links in description for that. So here you need to click the fingerprint unlocking and you need to enter the password. So once you enter the password, you can directly add the fingerprint. So let me add the one fingerprint so you'll get to know how fast it is in adding the fingerprint, as you can see here. So it won't take much time. It's very fast, as you can see. I have done my fingerprint scanner within 10 seconds, which is very faster. So in this way you will be able to add I guess 5 fingerprints. So let me check how many fingerprints you can add in this phone. So as you can see here, so you will be able to only add 5 fingerprints. So what I will do is that first 2 fingers I'll be adding my left hand and right hand index finger. Then I'll be trying to mix the both fingers. So as you can see here, so once I'll keep the left and once right. So in this way you can create the third fingerprint, so which will improve fingerprint scanner much faster, as you can see here. So let me try to add even the fourth finger similarly like this. So I'll be just adding both the fingers for same fingerprint scanner, as you can see here. So in this way the fingerprint scanner is much faster than before. So after trying this kind of trick, it worked for me. So for the past all the mobiles, whatever mobiles which are having this kind of fingerprint scanner, I'm trying to register the 2 fingers in one fingerprint scanner. So it makes unlocking the device much faster than the normal one. Another feature which we get along with the fingerprint scanner is that you can even use this fingerprint scanner to lock the applications, which I'll be demonstrating in the another video. So that's it guys, this is a quick review of the performance of the fingerprint scanner in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So as you can see, overall the fingerprint scanner is much faster. There's no problem in the unlocking the device. So without even pressing the power button, you can still directly place the finger on the fingerprint scanner and still the mobile unlocks. So that's a very good thing for me, as you can see here. So it unlocks without even pressing the power button. So this will be a faster way to unlock the Redmi Note 8 Pro device. So overall I am pretty much happy with the fingerprint scanner in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. There is no problem at all in the fingerprint scanner of this device. So that's guys, this is a quick review of this fingerprint scanner test in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru. So don't forget to check the links in the description guys for the playlist which contain in detail reviews about the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So if you have any queries regarding this phone, do comment below. I'll be replying to you. See you in the next video guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.